Hey mama, congratulations. If you're here, you're likely around 4 weeks pregnant, or maybe you're just finding out and wondering what this week holds. Either way, I'm so excited to take you through every step of this incredible journey. I'm Stephanie Poole, your go-to doula and lactation consultant, here to help you from these early weeks all the way through birth and beyond. So, what's actually happening at 4 weeks pregnant? This is when things start to get real. You might be feeling a bit overwhelmed, excited, and maybe even a little anxious. Don't worry, that's all totally normal. This week, you're in that very early stage where big changes are happening, but you may or may not be feeling them yet. Let's start with what's going on with you. At 4 weeks, you might notice some early signs, though some women feel absolutely nothing just yet. You could be feeling a bit more tired than usual, experiencing some bloating, or noticing your breasts feel tender. These are all signs that your body is starting to adapt to support that little one growing inside. Here's a fun fact. By this time, your body is producing a lot of a hormone called HCG, also known as the pregnancy hormone. This is actually what those home pregnancy tests are detecting, and it's likely what's giving you that pregnancy glow, or let's be honest, causing a bit of morning sickness for some of us. Now, let's talk about your little one. The size of a tiny poppy seed, but already amazing. At 4 weeks, your baby is technically an embryo and is already made up of two layers, the epiblast and the hypoblast, which will eventually become the organs and body parts. So here's one big piece of advice. Start thinking about a prenatal care provider if you haven't already. This could be a midwife or an obstetrician. And I've done a video, which I'll link below, to help you understand the difference between the two and how to choose one that will best align with your birth preferences. The key here is that you want someone that you can trust to guide you on your journey. Now, most providers will schedule your first appointment around 8 weeks. But if you haven't started taking prenatal vitamins or a folic acid supplement, go ahead and get those on board now. They're essential for your baby's development, especially in these early stages. All right, so let's talk self-care. 4 weeks in is the perfect time to start being intentional with taking care of yourself. Eat foods rich in vitamins, stay hydrated, and make sure you're resting as much as you need. And hey, cut yourself some slack if you're feeling a bit out of sorts. Your body is doing a lot right now. Even at this early stage, start building that connection. Some moms like to journal or talk to their baby. Even just placing a gentle hand on your belly and taking a moment to feel that connection can be grounding and special. That wraps up week 4, mama. Remember, every step of this journey is unique to you. Celebrate the little changes and give yourself grace. And if you want even more support as you prepare for birth and breastfeeding, check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint course. I've packed it full of resources and insights to help you feel ready, confident, and excited for birth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other moms who may also be starting their pregnancy journey. Remember, you've got this, and I'll see you next week for week 5.